People think that we have some secret cheat code, but it's not. It's the time that we spend at the track fucking everything up, testing theories that make us fast when it counts.
Right. There was plenty of times when people don't see, it's like 3 a.m. inside the shop. And I'm like, you can hear this thing spooling and on the 2-step. You know, because like I'm over here like trying stuff. People don't see that part. So like I'm over here trying to figure out how to get this car to spool up faster. I'll wake fucking people up at 3 a.m. I'm over here like moving camshaft angles in the car, getting it to spool differently, faster. And knowing the relation of the cam angle I'm changing to is what the result I'll end up getting without sacrificing like power and stuff. So a lot of people don't see that side of it. Hours and hours and hours of that shit, or pulling the transmission out 3 times because like we make changes to converters, you know?
Yep.